Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
Hey guys, so I haven't cut my hair in a while and my hair grew so much, so I decided to see if I could cornrow my hair and add a U-pie wig to my hair. So let's go and let's watch me attempt to cornrow my hair and see how this goes, okay? And yes, I'm going to cut back my hair in my pixie cut. I don't know what's wrong with me. Every time I say I'm going to do it, I never do it, but I'm going to. I'm not growing out my hair for any reasons. I'm going back to my pixie cut real soon. I'm just lazy.
Feel you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way.
So I'm gonna use some braiding here to braid my hair because you guys can tell my hair is too short. So I'm gonna make 2 anchor braids because I'm gonna make a U-part wig, but I'm gonna do my usual gluing when I make my wig, and then I'm gonna sew the wig onto my head. So I'm just gonna make 2 braids right here and 2 braids going around. So, and then I'm gonna do 2 like some big ugly braids going back. This is going to be my next anchor braid. They don't have to be perfect, honestly. It's just to, you know, cornrow the wig to my hair because I don't want to glue it. So my braids are definitely nowhere near perfect. So I'm just gonna braid everything going backwards like this and then I'll be back. Okay, so now it's finished and I'm telling you, these braids are ugly. But I'm gonna put on my stocking foot to do some measurements. And I'm using 2 as usual. So I'm gonna put it on. And I'm gonna do it according to where the braids are. So I'm gonna use a red pencil to mark the thing. So it starts, this is where it is. So that's where my leave out is. So now I'm gonna just glue the hair according to how you guys have seen how I do my wigs all the time. some. I don't think I'm gonna show you. I might show you whenever I reach up the top, but I feel it's like a waste of time for show you guys how I make my wigs. Can put links to all my wigs videos in the, like, you know, pop up for you guys to see, but otherwise I don't think it makes sense. So I'm gonna make the wig and then I'll come back and show you I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna be using hair from Julia Hair Company. This is I think it's, what, I don't remember exactly if this is, oh, this is Peruvian Body Wave, and I have 216, 114 and a 14 closure, but I'm not going to use the closure, as you guys can see. I've worked with this company before, and this is when I did the blonde, the ash blonde wig. The link of that video will pop up right now, so you guys can watch that and see. This hair is really good because I bleached that hair out 5 times and it's still good right now, still holding up, still soft and soft. So I'm going to use this bare hair again, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I install the part wig. Okay guys, so I finished making the wig and this is what it looks like. I don't know if I should keep it in a natural state. I'm gonna cut it into a bob. I think I don't have a stand, so that's the reason why, one of the reasons why I didn't show you. My stand broke. I don't know, I think I don't know if I should straighten it. I'm gonna straighten it and then I'll come back. But this is the hair. This is the natural state of the hair. I really love the curls, well, the waves, but for me, I don't know. So I'm gonna just cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it curly like this instead of straighten it, and then come back and see. Okay, so I'm finished the wig. So now I'm gonna cut off the excess and I straighten it as well. Add 2 clips to the back. So let's see.
You think you got it? Oh, you think you got it? But got it, just don't get it when there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together. But sex is always better when there's feelings involved. Yeah. If what they say is nothing is forever, then what makes love exception? So why you? Are we so in denial if you know we're not happy here? Y'all don't give a damn. Y'all just want to dance. Yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay guys, so my camera died while I was cutting, so I'm gonna try and explain what I did. All I did was, you know, put my hair in a ponytail and bring the hair tie down to the length that I wanted my bob to start from, and then I cut below the hair tie. so I didn't cut above the hair tie. Some people do cut above the hair tie, but I cut below the hair tie just because I didn't want to do the exact cut, just in case, you know, there's any mistake. Always cut longer first and then go up to the length that you want, just in case you make any mistakes. So that's what all I did. My scissors was dull. When my scissors is, you know, sharper, I would cut in a downward motion, but because my scissors were so dull, I had to be going in all different directions. So yeah, that's just a simple way to cut your bobs. And then, you know, after you finish doing that, then you just, you know, fix it up and ensure everything look nice. So yeah. Okay, so the camera cut off and I didn't realize, but this is what I have. I wish I could cut it differently. I wish I could cut it on the mannequin, but I can't do that. So I'm just gonna fix whatever I can fix. I'm gonna tie this again and do the rest. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use my shear and I'm just gonna feel. Let me add all this side to it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of my Moroccan Garnier oil. Just gonna bump the ends a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I didn't really cut it that nice. Like the back is still kind of choppy, so I need to fix it, but I'll fix it very soon. But I really like this look. I did this makeup look as well. I'm gonna put this makeup look will be up probably after this video. But yeah, you know, I already love Julia hair. I used it before, it was very nice. And this is my second time using it again. All I can say is good thing about this hair, it's very soft, it has a lot of movement. I'll have all the link in the description bar about this hair and stuff. So yeah, don't forget to check out Julia Hair Company. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you did like this video. Comment below and let me know what you think. And yeah, take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.